Hello student, today we are going to learn class 10th science. Our today's topic is lesson number 2, acids, base and salts. Salt. Student, salt is a product of neutralization reaction. Generally, a salt is a neutral substance produced from the reaction of acid and base. It means salt is the product of neutralization reaction. To explain the classification of salt, you should know the example of strong and weak acid and bases. Some example given in tables. Strong acids. First, hydrochloric acid. The formula is HCl. Second, sulfuric acid. Formula is H2SO4. Third, nitric acid. Formula is HNO3. Weak acids. First, acetic acid. Formula is CH3COOH. Second, carbonic acid. Formula is H2CO3. Strong bases. First, sodium hydroxide. Formula is NaOH. Second, potassium hydroxide. Formula is KOH. And weak bases. First, ammonium hydroxide. Formula is NH4OH. Second, calcium hydroxide. CaOH twice. Classification of salt. On the basis of their formation, salt are three types. First, natural salt. Second, acidic salt. And third, basic salt. First of natural salt. The salt formed by the strong acid and the strong bases or by weak acid and weak bases are called neutral salt. For example, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is formed by the reaction between sodium hydroxide and hydrogen chloride. Similarly, potassium sulfate is formed by the reaction between potassium hydroxide base and sulfuric acid. Acidic salt. The salt formed by strong acid and weak base are called acidic salt. For example, ammonium sulfate is formed by the ammonium hydroxide and sulfuric acid. Calcium nitrate is formed by the reaction between calcium hydroxide and nitric acid. Next, basic salt. The salt formed by the strong base and the weak acids are called basic salt. For example, sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is prepared by the reaction of sodium hydroxide and carbonic acid. Common salt or sodium chloride. Its chemical formula is NaCl. Preparation. In laboratory, sodium chloride is prepared by the reaction between sodium hydroxide and hydrogen chloride. Reaction NaOH plus HCl NaCl plus H2O. Commercially, common salt is prepared by the evaporation of seawater. Uses of common salt. In the synthetic process of sodium hydroxide and sodium carbonate and many others chemicals. Number second, it is used in the preparation of soap. It is used as a table salt in our food. It helps in working of our nervous system and used as a preservative in pickles and curing fish and meat. Washing soda. Its chemical name is sodium carbonate decahydrate and its chemical formula is Na2CO3 10H2O. Preparation of washing soda. Washing soda is prepared by Salbe process. In this process, take a brine solution and pass ammonia gas till it stops dissolving. This solution is called ammonical brine. and now pass carbon dioxide gas through ammonical brine, then sodium bicarbonate is formed. The reaction is NaCl plus H2O plus NH3 plus CO2, then NaHCO3 plus NH4Cl is formed. Sodium bicarbonate is springly soluble in water, thus it is filtered out and dried. On heating, it decomposes to form anhydrous sodium carbonate S. The reaction is NaHCO3 heat, then Na2CO3 sodium carbonate S plus H2O plus CO2. Anhydrous sodium carbonate is then dissolved in water and crystals of washing soda is formed. The reaction is Na2CO3 plus 10H2O crystallization process, Na2CO3 10H2O. This is washing soda. Uses of washing soda. It is used in glass, soap and paper industries. Second, it is used in manufacture of sodium compounds like borax. Number third, it is used as a cleansing agent for domestic purpose. It is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Our next salt is plaster of Paris, POP. Its chemical name is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Its chemical formula is CaSO4 half H2O. Preparation: on heating gypsum at about 100 Celsius, it lost 3/4 of its water and form POP. CuSO4 2H2O. Gypsum 100 Celsius temperature, CuSO4 half H2O. Uses: in hospitals for setting fractured bones. Second, for making toys, decorative items, statue and chalk. Number third, it is used in making fireproof material. It is used in sealing air gaps in lab apparatus. And fifth, it is used for making ball and sealing smooth and making ornamental design on them. Baking soda. Its chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Its chemical formula is NaHCO3. Preparation: it is prepared by the reaction of brine solution baking soda. Its chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Its chemical formula is NaHCO3. Preparation: when carbon dioxide gas is passed through ammonical brine solution, baking soda is formed. Chemical equation: NaCl plus H2O plus NH3 plus CO2. Then NaHCO3 plus NH4Cl is formed. Sodium bicarbonate is springly soluble in water, thus it is filtered out and dried. It can also be prepared by the reaction of sodium carbonate with carbon dioxide and water. Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2, 2 molecule of sodium bicarbonate. Uses of baking soda: it is an essential constituent of baking powder and used to make bakery product. Number second, it is used as an antacid to remove acidity in stomach. Number third, it is used in soda acid type fire extinguisher along with dilute sulfuric acid. When dilute sulfuric acid react with baking soda, carbon dioxide gas is released along with a liquid that covers the fire and cut off its oxygen supply, hence fire gets extinguished. bleaching powder. Its chemical name is calcium oxychloride and chemical formula is CaOCl2. It is also called chloride of lime. Preparation. Bleaching powder is prepared by passing chlorine gas over dry slacked lime calcium hydroxide. Reaction CaOH twice plus Cl2, CaOCl2 plus H2O. Uses for bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry, for bleaching wood pulp in paper industries, and for bleaching washed cloth in laundry. Number second, as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. Number third, it is used for disinfecting water. Thank you, student.